Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring out a 1:5 ratio of dried lion's mane to alcohol, because surface area and solvent contact determine yield. Once ground, pack into a clean glass jar and pour 40–60% ethanol until fully covered. Make sure to leave 1–2 cm headspace for expansion. Seal it and label with the start date. You will agitate daily to improve extraction. This early action increases transfer of active compounds into the solvent, rather than wasting time waiting passively. Once the alcohol maceration has progressed for 2–4 weeks and the solvent has darkened, you perform a second extraction to capture water-soluble compounds. To do this, simmer the spent mushroom material in water for 30–60 minutes, cool, and strain. Then combine that decoction with your alcohol extract. This creates a full-spectrum tincture because some beneficial compounds are water-extractable. Make sure to press the solids to recover liquid, and then filter the combined extracts through progressively finer filters. You finish by bottling the clarified combined extract into dark dropper bottles and noting approximate strength and bottling date. For typical use, start with 0.5 to 1 ml twice daily and titrate up. This lets you monitor effects safely. If your tincture is cloudy, cold filter, or let it settle then decant, because suspended particles can be removed. But if you detect mold, off odors, or fermentation, discard the batch and clean equipment thoroughly before restarting to avoid contamination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.